In today's video, I will walk you through how to create progress bars in Google Sheets. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. Start by listing your tasks in column A. In column B, add your progress values, but make sure they are in decimal form. So 80% should be written as 0.8 and 60% becomes 0.6. If your values are in percentages, divide them by 100 to convert them. Next, go to column C, where the progress bars will appear. Click cell C2 and enter this formula, equals SPARKLINE B2, open curly brace chart type, bar semicolon, max 1, semicolon, color 1 green, close curly brace close parenthesis. Press enter to generate the progress bar. Then select cell C2 and drag the small square in the corner down to fill the rest of the rows. This applies the same formula to all your tasks automatically. Each row will now show a progress bar that updates whenever you change the value in column B. That's it. You now have visual progress bars in Google Sheets for quick and easy tracking.